guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making Buckeyes. I love Buckeyes, they're like delicious. So first what you'll need will be butter at room temperature, creamy peanut butter, don't use natural peanut butter, powdered sugar, semi-sweet or milk chocolate chips, and vanilla extract. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. One reason why I like this recipe is because you don't have to bake it. It's just you put it in the fridge. So first what you want to do is beat together your butter and peanut butter until nice and creamy. Okay, so once that is all combined, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of your powdered sugar first. And then beat that on low speed until it is all combined. And then add in the rest of the powdered sugar in 1 cup increments. I have lined a baking sheet with parchment paper, and now we're just going to make 1-inch balls of the Buckeye, I don't know, the soon-to-be Buckeyes. They should be a little bit crumbly. I did have to add a little bit more peanut butter to make it stick more together, but that is totally fine if you need to. Let's see. I ended up getting 28, but that was just in one. I have a little bit more left. Probably fit like 2 to 4 more, but I can't fit it on this sheet. So since that is all done, we're going to put it in the freezer for 30 minutes or the fridge for 2 hours. So I'll see you guys once that is all done. Okay, so while we wait for the Buckeyes to be done, it's not a real Buckeye without a chocolate coating. So right here I have semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can also use milk chocolate chips, but I'm going to put this in the redo. Cut that part out. Okay, so while we wait for the Buckeyes to be out of the freezer, we're going to make the chocolate coating. So it's not Buckeyes without some chocolate. So right here I have the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Again, I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. All we have to do for this is just melt it. So I'm going to start with 45 seconds. And then after that, you can, if it's not done yet, you can just keep going in 30-second intervals. Okay, so they just came out. I probably did like the 140-second and then I think I did 3 30-seconds. And then now it is nice and melty. So that was really it for this part, but I'll see you guys once the Buckeyes come out of the freezer. Okay, so they just came out of the freezer. Now it's time to finish these off. So I have like a wooden, stick here. I'm just gonna put it right through the middle and the top, not really far in, and then just dip it down, but leave the top, a little bit of the top still not covered. Okay, so the Buckeyes are done. These are the best 5. I really like them. They turned out amazing and way better than I actually expected. So, yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!